Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all. It is Sunday dinner recipe idea segment. I'm still on the Instant Pot. Like I told y'all, this summer, especially summer, it's June, so we going into the summer, y'all. So the next 3 months, majority recipes gonna be Instant Pot, air fryer. I'll do a few cooking in the oven. Of course, the cakes I have to do in the oven. I'm gonna do some in the Instant Pot too, as soon as I practice first. I'm not gonna go a rookie on it online. So this is gonna be smothered pork chops, y'all, in the Instant Pot. Never did smothered pork chops in the Instant Pot, but I know the format, I know the procedure, and I know it's gonna be half the time. I'm gonna set it at 45 minutes, see what we got. We got to go longer than that. If you do it in the oven, it takes a couple of hours to smell them in the oven. So we're gonna do them here in the Instant Pot. Same procedure as I do in the Dutch oven. I'm gonna season these pork chops first. Y'all see how thick these got? The butcher got them. See, these are real thick, nice, meaty pork chops, not them thin pork chops you see in the stores. So what I'm gonna do with salt and pepper, make sure I season them really, really good. And I'm gonna do some rice on these, y'all. I'm gonna do some rice on the side. I don't know why I never have my spoon out when I need it. Okay, put a little shake on there. That's sweet or spicy. Y'all, if you've been following me on the, you know I use this shake here. Uncle Steve shake, sweet and spicy here. And this is Cavender's Greek seasoning. Put a little of that on there. It goes with everything. It just brings out the flavor of the food. We're gonna flip them over. And then we're gonna dust them in flour. I could have used a bigger pan, huh? Greek seasoning on here. There we go. Take to the side. We're gonna sear them off in the Instant Pot. Y'all got it heating up here on the Saute setting. If you have an Instant Pot at home and you don't know what setting, it's a Saute setting. That's the setting you can use to sear off or anything. All right, put a little salt and pepper on here. Put all this over to the side. Now we're gonna got some flour here in my bag, just like I do in other procedures. I'm gonna just shake it here. I think I can get 2 in here, y'all. Okay, I got a hole in the bag here. Hole in the bag, y'all. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna sear them off, y'all. Get a good sear on them if possible here. On each side. It's gonna take about 2 or 3 minutes. As y'all know, it's gonna take about 2 or 3 minutes to get them seared off. And I'll be back when I get the last one seared off, and then we'll go to the next step. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. See the pork chops here, nice and golden brown, seared off in the pot here. That's what you want, y'all. Nice golden brown sear on them with the flour. Now, what I'm gonna do next, got that nice oil in there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop the onions in here. You don't have to put onions, but when I do smothered pork chop, y'all, I love to do my onions with it. Just bring a whole new kind of contrast to the dish. And get that kind of cooked off here a couple of minutes. And then we're gonna ask the dirty flour lady to get ready, because we just put some dirty flour in here, y'all. Y'all already know what that means. We're gonna get all that goodness in the bottom of this pot too. All scraped off the bottom here. Nothing better than just one pot does it all, y'all. One pot does it all. Nothing better. I'm gonna put some flour with my flour at. Hold on, y'all. Use the plain flour that I use to bread the pork chops. I'm gonna put it right in here, because it's gonna make us a nice little gravy here. That's why I say the dirty flour lady. They say you can't use the flour left over from the chops. That's dirty flour. Y'all new to the channel, most people know what I'm talking about. That lady comment say that's dirty, using the same flour that you use to put the pork chops in to make the gravy. And we all know that's so insane thinking. Okay. Get all that mixed up in there. Get that flour taste off of there, y'all. We just add some chicken stock in here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some water. Then I'm gonna add some chicken bouillon in here. This is gonna make our nice little gravy for the pork chop. Pour that in there. Get this all mixed up. One more cup. That should do it. I don't want to add any more because I know there's going to be a lot of liquid come off the pork chop because no liquid is escaping in the air. Okay, y'all got that. Now I'm going to add my chicken bouillon, which is going to make it chicken stock. Add that to that. Then I'm going to add my Worcestershire sauce, aka American soy sauce. It's already a soy sauce, American soy sauce, y'all. Get that all mixed up in there. And I'm gonna add a little bit more liquid. And that'll do it on this, y'all. We're gonna add our chops back in here, seal it up, we'll give it 45 minutes. Shouldn't take no more than 45 minutes on here. And you know what, y'all, I'm gonna give it an hour. Just to make sure they're falling off the bone tender. Hold on, I'm gonna do one more thing here. I'm gonna put some, y'all know when I make gravy, I put some black pepper in here. And I'm gonna put a little bit more salt here. We're gonna taste it here and see if we need some salt in this thing. Let's see here. Just a little, not much, y'all. Remember, I got salt on the pork chops, and there's salt in the chicken stock as well. All right, y'all with me here? Somebody sleep in the back. Somebody sleep there in the back, y'all wake them up. Okay, now we're gonna put the pork chop back in here. Lay them right down in there, y'all. Lay them in there. So submerge them as much as possible. As much as possible as you can. There we go, here. Now, we'll put the lid back on here. I'll take out this saute. We'll find our lid here, our top. Put that on there, make sure it's sealed. We're gonna go meat. We're gonna go all the way up to an hour, y'all. Let's do an hour with this one. Can't overcook them. Can't overcook them. That's it. 1 hour. We'll be back in an hour. And we're gonna pray, y'all. They be tender falling off the bone. I'm gonna get some white rice going in the meantime. I'm gonna have some white rice and smothered pork chops. Don't get no better than that. Sunday motivational Sunday menu recipe out your favorite. It's just almost finished, y'all. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Okay, y'all, we're gonna hope and pray for the best here. I let them go for an hour, really an hour and 15 minutes, y'all. So here we go here. When you open it, always open it away from you. But we're gonna see what we got here, y'all. Oh yeah, I can taste it right now. Let me see here. Y'all see that gravy in there? A nice gravy it made. I don't know if Dylan can get in here, but you see that nice gravy right there? And these pork chops, let me pick one up here. I can barely pick it up. You see how it's always falling off. You get that? So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna step off here. I got some rice here that I cooked off. I'm gonna plate this thing up, put a little gravy on the rice, on the pork chop. And we're gonna come back and see exactly how tender it is. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. And look here, y'all, I could have made the gravy a little bit. I could have made the gravy a little bit thicker. Next time I know, like I say, first time making the Instant Pot, but check this out here. See that? I will put a little more on them. Put a little bit more gravy on the rice there. Look at that. Gotta have that. Gotta have my clean my plate here. A little hot sauce on my. I gotta have some hot sauce on there, y'all. Have some hot sauce. I don't even need the knife. Show you how tender this is. See how tender that is, y'all? Just falling apart tender. 1 hour, y'all. Look at that. There you go, Ken. It's Kenneth's bite. Let me close your ceiling. That's me and Kenneth's bite with that fat on your head. Try this bite right here. This thing is excruciating hot, y'all. How tender it is, y'all. 1 hour. It's a pack. Of course, if you got a thinner chop, I cook it less. So this onion gravy. More meat on here. It's more better than that, y'all. Don't get much better than that. Anyway, y'all. Alright, let's get something to drink here. Okay. Let me close the video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose, Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.